These are all ITY Knits, and I brought these in especially for Memorial Day because they're just wonderful, they're beautiful, they're great drape. They're all cotton polys, they're all 60 inches wide, and they're digital ITYs, and just what that means is how exact the printing is and how detailed they can be without, you know, so they're very, very pretty, and they're very, very exact, and they're very real looking. There's a black with a cream floral, very pretty, as you can see, great drape. They're all $10, and through Memorial Day weekend they're all $10 a yard, which you guys know that's just a steal. They're just really pretty. This herringbone looks so real. You made a pair of, like, I could see a yoga, not a yoga pant, I would do jags, like jags, even though it's a woven pant, just a real carefree look, but it looks exactly like a wool herringbone. It's just really, really pretty. And then we have a black and brown combination, which I think is really lovely. And again, tops or bottoms. I think you could do yoga pants out of something like this. I wouldn't do yoga pants out of this unless you didn't do them real tight. You wouldn't want a pair like that. You want this to be more flowy, but this would be really pretty. Stretch in both directions, so leggings are on the table, tops are on the table, just all kinds of things. This is a black, I mean, this is brown, which typically when we see this leopard, we see a black, but I love the brown. I love the combination of the two. So we've got those four for you. They're all at $10 through the Memorial Day weekend. Happy Memorial Day and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.